have a break, or do nothing. Ever wonder why these phrases stick with you? That's the magic of a great brand tagline. A few words and boom, you're thinking about a brand without even realizing it. Brands like Nike, McDonald's, and Kit Kat have turned their taglines into cultural icons, and these taglines have helped them become instantly recognizable around the globe. A tagline isn't just a simple slogan, it is that one-liner that captures your essence, makes people remember and connect with you, and choose you over the competition. So when done right, it is the difference between blending in and standing out. But how to do it right? Number 1, start by nailing down what truly represents your brand and your key message. Think about the emotion you want to evoke and keep it simple, something that rolls off the tongue and sticks in the mind. Number 2, remember to keep it short. Less is always more when it comes to taglines. And number 3, make it emotional. Tap into feelings, happy, inspired, or whatever fits your brand. And there you have it, a tagline that is strong and gives your brand a lasting impression on your audience. Get it right, and it will do the talking for you long after your ad is over. So what's the one brand tagline that has really stuck with you? Share it with us in the comments down below.